So I got a Mastertemp Pentair heater here. When I turn off the pumps, I get some water leaking from that inlet line on the top. It just pressure releases on the pressure on the line from the pump being turned off, and then I just get a flush of water. Not a lot. You can see it dripping down there, but it's coming off that top piece. It just kind of leaked out and then stopped. Stops after a while. You can loosen these up, just unscrewing this coupling here. And then what you can see is there's a black O-ring that sits inside this part. You see it right there? And then that O-ring just presses against this flat surface here. It's just touching it. And then that O-ring, if it gets tired, it's gonna leak. So I don't have one handy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some silicone around it here, try to help the O-ring out a little bit, and then replace these as soon as I'm able to. Here's what that O-ring looks like. This stuff I use on O-rings. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's a PTFE based lube for any kind of rubber O-ring. Works great, made in the USA. Good stuff. So that's it. Next step is check for leaks. All right, so we let the unit sit overnight and then start up again today, and looks like we're dry down here and don't have any leaks. So basically, you know, just remember your heater connects to your plumbing with these two couplings, and they're just, you know, tightened up by hand here, and use O-rings to keep a good seal. So use some of that magic lube on the O-rings and make sure these are tight, and that way you can keep it from leaking. Hey, I hope this helps you. If you would give the video a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it. Hey, have a great day.